Okay, so welcome to you. Today we will see what do we mean by vector field and how to find the line integral of the vector field. Okay, so what is meant by vector field? A vector field on two or three-dimensional space is a function f bar that assigned to each point xy or xyz. So a two-dimensional or three-dimensional vector given by f bar of xy is equal to this p of x y bar q of x y. This is in two dimensional, this is in the three dimensional. So this is called vector field. Okay, so now we want to find a gradient of the scalar function. So you can find a gradient of the scalar function, and gradient of the scalar function is nothing but the vector. Okay, so that is called a vector field, gradient vector field. Okay, if f of x y is a differentiable scalar valued function, this is very important here. It is a scalar valued function. Okay, so then a vector field, this is nebula f, nebula f is nothing but what, dou f by dou x. That means we have to differentiate the first component is what, the derivative differentiation of f with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to y, partial differentiation with respect to z. So this is the definition of the gradient of a scalar point function, gradient of a scalar point function, and it is called gradient vector field. Okay, so line integral of the vector field. Now this is the important point here, line integral of a vector field. Okay, so let a bar be a vector field. So this is your a bar. Okay, so continuous component, so that means what, with continuous components, so that means your components are continuous, defined along a smooth curve C. Okay, so that is parameterized by r bar of t. So we are familiar with how to parameterize, so that one. Then the line integral of along C is defined as this f bar by t bar ds. Okay, t bar is nothing but what, dr bar by ds, but dr bar by ds into ds, so ds get in our language, so it get cancelled, f bar by dr bar. So I can write dr bar is what, dr bar by dt. Okay, because r bar is a function of t, r bar is a function of t. So dr bar is nothing but dr bar by dt. So you have to find a dot product of the vector. You have to find a dot product. So it is not a vector then. Okay. Now we'll see how to solve the problems with the help of these 3 points. So actually first point is just a definition. So last 2 points is nothing but they are the formulae to solve the problem. Okay. Find the gradient vector field of the function f of xy is equal to x square sine of phi y. Okay, solution, given that f of xy is equal to this. Okay, so this is what gradient of a vector field is that one, del pi. So we just will write the formula, dou f by dou x I bar plus dou f by dou y j bar. Okay, so this is in 2 dimensional, just write 2 dimensional. Now differentiate your f partially with respect to x. So this is sin phi y, it is a constant, so you need to differentiate only the x square, and derivative of x square is twice x. Okay, so this is twice x sin of phi y I bar plus we have to differentiate sin phi y only. Okay, x square is constant, we are differentiating partially with respect to y. Okay, so derivative of sin y phi y is nothing but cos of phi y into derivative of phi y, that is 5. So this is nothing but 5x square cos of phi y j bar. Okay, so this is your problem, it is over. Okay, next, find the gradient of the scalar point function f of xy is equal to z e raised to minus xy. So now there are 3 vectors, 3 components, that means this is what, 3 variable function, this is 3 dimensional. Okay, solution. Okay, so but this is the definition, gradient of f is same as dou f by dou x I bar plus dou f by dou y j bar plus dou f by dou z k bar. This is very simple definition, Okay, so we'll differentiate with respect to x now. Okay, so this is what minus y z e raised to minus xy. Okay, so e raised to minus xy, derivative of e raised to minus xy, e raised to minus xy into derivative of minus xy partial with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1, so this is minus y, so minus y is here. Okay, so this is I bar. Again we have to differentiate this with respect to y. Okay, so e raised to minus xy is e raised to minus xy into derivative of minus xy is minus x. So this is what minus x z minus xz e raised to minus xy j bar. Okay, now derivative of z is 1 here, so this is what plus e raised to minus xy k bar. Okay, so this is one line answer. So orally you can find the gradient of the function. Okay, next find the gradient of the log of root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so this is your formula, dou f by dou x, dou f by dou z, this is k bar. Formula is same everywhere. Okay, so only the crucial part is what to differentiate this. Okay, now we differentiate this, that is what 1 upon something, so 1 upon just 1 upon something, 1 upon root of x square plus y square plus, okay, instead of this what we will do, this is what 1/2 log of x square plus y square plus z square. Otherwise this yeah, it is very complicated. Then 1 upon something into derivative of root of something, again 1 upon 2 root of something. So instead of this, so log of this is what to the power half, so we can take half log of this. Okay, we can write this. So your half will be as it is now. Derivative of log of something is what 1 upon x square plus y square plus z square into derivative of x square plus y square plus z square partially with respect to x. Okay, so that is twice x I bar plus 1/2 is as it is. So this is same as twice y x square plus y square plus z square j bar plus 1/2. This is same as what twice z upon x square plus y square plus z square k bar. Okay, so you may write this is what x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar upon not as root upon just x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, this also you can write, or you may write 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Okay, next. Okay, I hope that now you understand how to find the gradient of the function. Okay, next find the gradient of the vector field z square e raised to x square plus 4y plus log of xy upon z, log of xy upon. We can simplify this. See, you can simplify. This is z square e raised to x square into e raised to 4y. Okay, and this is what, this is you can simplify log x plus log y minus log z. You can use the rule of the, you can apply the rule of the logarithmic function. Okay, so to avoid the product rule or division rule, some complications, so we'll simplify this. Okay, so easily now we can differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. Okay, now this is your formula to find the gradient of the function. Okay, now we differentiate partial with respect to x, differentiate this. Okay, we'll write in bracket because there are two terms. Okay, two or more than two terms. Okay, so derivative of e raised to x square is e raised to x square into derivative of x square, that is twice x. Okay, so this is what twice x z square e raised to x square e raised to 4y as it is now. Okay, so this is the derivative of this. Okay, so derivative of this is what plus 1 by x, all are rest are constant, so the derivative is 0 now, plus. Now we have to differentiate with respect to y now. So e raised to 4y is there, so this is a constant, e raised to 4y, so that is 4 e raised to 4y. Okay, so this is what then 4z square e raised to x square e raised to 4y plus 1 upon y j bar. Okay, so plus. We have to differentiate with respect to z now. So this is what just twice z square, twice z only, e raised to 4y minus 1 by z k1. Okay. Next, evaluate integral over C f bar dot dr bar where f bar of x y z is equal to z I bar plus x y j bar minus y k bar along the curve C given by r bar of t is equal to t square I bar plus t j bar plus root t k bar 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 1. Okay, solution given that f bar of x y j or f bar just we write, okay, z I bar plus x y j bar minus y k bar. Okay, r bar of t is equal to t square I bar plus t j bar plus root t k bar. Okay, so here x is equal to t square, y is equal to t, and z is equal to root t. Okay, so dr bar. Okay, so I can write dr bar as 2t dt I bar plus dt j bar plus 1 upon 2 root t dt. Derivative of root t is 1 upon 2 root t k bar. Okay, now your f bar dot dr bar, you have to take the dot product of this. You have to take the dot product. Is what? Z 2t dt, okay, plus xy dt plus this is minus then. Okay, so minus y into 1 upon 2 root t dt. Okay, now we put the values of x, y, z in terms of t. Now what is the value of this is what here, this is z is what? Okay, so 2 root, okay, 2t. Okay, dt I will take the common. Okay, now this is xy, x is t square, y is so plus t cube minus y. What is value of y? Value of y is what? T. Okay, so t upon 2 root t dt. Okay, very simple now. So now integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to range of t is given to you, that is 0 to 1. So this is what? 2 t raised to 3 by 2. To value the integral, you must have to convert this in terms of power of t now. Okay, so plus t cube minus this is t upon root t. That means root t into root t get cancelled. So t raised to half. So minus 1 half t raised to half dt. Okay, now we will integrate this. This is 2 t raised to what? 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus t raised to 4 upon 4 minus half is as it is, t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to 1. Okay, so if you put t is equal to 0, then everything, so only you have to put t is equal to 1. Just that means you have to write only the coefficient. This is what? 4 by 5 plus 1 by 4 minus, so if you write it, 3 get cancelled, minus 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so now this is equal to what then? This is equal to, so this is 5, 4, 3. Okay, so biggest one is what? 5. So what we have to do? So LCM we have to find. This is what 5, 30, no. So 60, okay, 60 is your LCM. 60 is your LCM. So this is what 5, so 12, 48 now. Okay, so this is 48 plus 15 minus, or plus 15 minus, you have to take the product of this one. Okay, minus 20, okay. So this is minus 5, so minus 5 means what? This is 43 upon 60 is the answer. Okay, next. Evaluate the line integral this, not a bar but a bar. This is minus y dx plus z dy plus twice x dz, where c is the helix, whatever the name is given, don't bother about this, is equal to cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar plus t k bar, 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 2 pi. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to this. Okay, where c is the helix this. Okay, so now here x is equal to what? Cos t. Y is equal to what? Sin t. Z is equal to what? T. Okay, just we'll find dx now. We'll find dx. Dx is what? Minus sin t dt. Just dy is what? Cos t dt. And dz is same as what? dt. Okay, so therefore we'll put in I now. We'll write the values of x, y, z, and we'll write dx, dy, dz in here. So, okay, so therefore I is equal to, you can put the limit of t also, that is 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so I'll write in brackets. Okay, minus y. Okay, what is minus sin t? Minus sin t. What is your dx? Dx is what? Minus sin t dt. Plus, what is your z? Z is t. What is your dy? Cos of t dt. Okay, so plus twice x. X is what? Cos of t. dz. dz is what? Just dt. I'll take tt common. So this is what? 0 to 2 pi. This is what? Minus become plus sin square t. So sin square t, you cannot integrate sin square t. So you know that 2 sin square t is what? 1 minus cos 2t. Okay, so 2 is not there, so 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. I will take dt common. Okay, so plus t cos t, you cannot do anything here. Cos t plus 2 cos t. Okay, so this is what? dt. Okay, now we'll integrate now this. Okay, so this is 1/2. 1/2 means what? T by 2 then. Minus 1/2 integration of cos 2t is what? Sin 2t upon t. Not upon t, upon 2. Upon. Here you have to use the by part. So t will be outside. Integration of this what? Cos of t dt minus d by dt of t. Integration of cos t dt, and again you have to integrate this with respect to t. Okay, so this is the by part we have used here. Plus 2 sin t, and your limit is what? 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so first we will find this and then we will put the limit this. Okay, so t by 2 minus sin 2t upon 4. Integration of cos is sin now. This is what? T sin t. Okay, so derivative is 1 here. Integration of cos t is what? Sin t, and this one is what? Sin. Again we have to integrate the sin. Integration of sin is minus cos. Okay, so minus become plus. So this is cos t plus 2 sin t. 0 to 2 pi. So integration of sin n pi, sin n pi is 0. So this is what then? This is what? this is pi, because you have to put t is equal to 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi upon this. So this is 0. This is 0 because sin 2 pi is 0. So cos 2 pi is 1. So plus 1. Sin 2 pi is 0. Okay, minus. You have to put t is equal to 0. So if you put t is equal to 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Cos t is 1. Cos t is 1. So this is value is what? Pi. So your integration is what? Pi. Next, evaluate. Evaluate integration over C f bar dot dr bar, where f of we'll write here, okay, f bar of x y z is equal to 8x square y z I bar plus 5z j bar minus 4xy k bar, and C is the curve r bar of t is equal to t I bar plus t square j bar plus t cube k bar 0 less than t less than 1. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to this. Okay, so this is a f bar. Okay, so now this is what dr bar is what dt I bar plus 2t dt j bar plus 3t square dt k bar. Okay, now we find f bar dot dr bar. Okay, f bar dot dr bar. Just to write in terms of x, y, z. The component, you have to do product of the components only. Okay, so this is what x square y z dt plus 5z, actually 10 zt. Okay, 10 z t dt. Okay, so we are taking the dot product. Okay, minus 4xy, or minus 4 with 12. Okay, so 12xy t square dt. Okay, now we put the value of x, y, z now. So this is your x is what? T, y is t square, z is equal to t cube. Okay, so we'll put here now. So 8. Okay, so this is what x square means what? T square. What is your y? Y is t square. What is your z? T cube. Okay, I will take dt common now. Okay, I will do this product later on. So 10 z is what here? T cube. T minus 12. What is your x? T. What is your y? T square. What is your okay? There is no z. Okay. So this is what dt. So I will find this function f bar dot dr bar into function of t into dt only. Okay, and then I will integrate this your I. Okay. So now this is what 8 t raised to what 7 plus 10 t cube minus 12 t raised to what 5 dt. Okay, so I is equal to integration 0 to t 0 to 1 okay, 8 t raised to 7 plus 10 t cube minus 12 t raised to 5 dt is equal to okay, so we'll integrate this. So this is what, just integrate. This is 8 t raised to 7. 8 as it is, t raised to 8 upon 8. 8 get cancelled. So I can write this is what t raised to 8. This is what plus 10. So this is what will be 5 by 2 then. T raised to 4. 10 upon 4. That is 5 by 2. Okay. If possible, you can simplify this. This is t raised to 6 upon 6. So this is what then minus 2 t raised to 6. Minus 2 t raised to 6. And the limit is what? 0 to 1 now. 0 to 1. Okay. So now this is what? Only I have to put t is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus 5 by 2 minus 2. So 5 by 2 minus 1. So this is what? 3 by 2. So your answer is what? So this is what 4. This is what 10 t raised to 4. This is 10 t raised to 4. Okay, so this is 10 t raised to 4. Means this is what this is t raised to 5. Means this is 2 t raised to 5. 2 t raised to 5. So this is wrong now. Okay, so this is what then 1 plus 2 minus 2. So this is 1. So answer is 1 now. Okay, so here what z is t cube into t. T cube into t is t raised to 4. Okay, so we have mistake here, so we get a wrong answer. Okay, now it is the correct now. Okay, so you should take the care everywhere now. Next, evaluate integral over c f bar dot dr bar, where f bar of x y z is equal to x z I bar minus y z j bar, and c is the line segment from minus 1 to 0 to 3 0 1. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to this. Okay, this is your f bar. Okay, now c is the line segment, that is c is r bar of t is equal to 1 minus t. Your first point is what? Minus 1 to 0 plus t. Your second point was 0 1. Okay, so this is what then 1 minus t. So this is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1 plus t plus 3t. So this is what then minus 1 plus 4t. Then this is what 2 minus 2t, 2 minus 2t only, 2 minus 2t. Okay, so then this is 0, so this is only t now. So that is what minus 1 plus 4t I bar plus 2 minus t j bar plus t k bar. Okay, now we will find dr bar now. Dr bar. Okay, so here what your x is what? X is equal to, okay, here you can write x is equal to minus 1 plus 4t, y is equal to 2 minus t, z is equal to t. Okay, so now we will write dr bar now. Dr bar, what? This is what 4 dt I bar minus dt j bar plus dt k bar. Okay, now we write f bar dot dr bar. F bar dot dr bar. Okay, for f bar there is no component k, that is 0 now. Okay, so x y 4xz dt minus yz, so minus become plus now, plus yz dt. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so we'll put 4xyz. Your x is what? So this is 4. X is what? Minus 1 plus 4t. Your z is what? Z is t only. Okay, so I will take dt common, plus your y is what? 2 minus t. Your z is t. You will take dt common now. So dt is here. Okay, so we'll simplify this. So this is what? Minus 4t plus 16t square minus plus 2t minus t square dt. Okay, now we'll integrate this. Your t is what? So here your line, that means t is always lie between 0 to 1 for line. Okay, okay, so I is equal to this. So I is equal to integration from 0 to 1. We will simplify this. Minus 40, so minus 2t, and this is what? 15t square minus 2t dt. Okay, minus 2t dt. Oh, not 16. So t square minus, okay. See, check, we'll check here. This is what? 2 minus 2t is here. 2 minus 2t. Okay, 2 minus 2t, this is 2 minus 2t. Okay, so 2 minus 2t dt. So derivative is what then? Minus 2 dt. Okay, minus 2 dt. So this is twice yz. So this is what 2 into this. Okay, so we have to check this now. Okay, so this is what then, minus 4t plus 16t square plus 4 so this minus 2 dt. Okay, okay, here plus 2 minus 2t now this. Okay, 2 minus 2t plus 4 minus 4 t square dt. Okay, so we'll check here 1 minus t minus 1. Okay, we'll check once again. 1 minus t, so this is what, minus 1 plus t plus 3t. So this is correct. Okay, so next one is what, 2 minus 2t, that is also correct. T is also correct. Okay, so derivative will check. So derivative is what, 4 dt. So 4 dt is correct, minus 2 dt is correct, and dt is also correct. Okay, so f bar not dr bar is 4 into 4t square minus t is correct. This is minus yz. Okay, so minus yz, minus minus become plus 2. Okay, minus minus become plus. Minus become plus 2 yz. Okay, 2 yz. Okay, minus 2 yz. Okay, so y is what, y is what, 2 minus 2t is correct. Okay, z is t is correct. Okay, so now this is 2 into 2 4t square, this is correct, minus 4t is correct. Okay, so now what is this then, what is this, this is what, minus 4t. Okay, so minus 4t minus it is, this is 4t now. Okay, so your 40 get cancelled, then 40 get cancelled. So this is only what, 20 square dt. So this integration what, 4t cube 0 to 1. So this is 4. So this is your required answer. Okay, next, evaluate integral over c f bar dot dr bar, where f bar of xy is equal to y square I bar plus 3x minus 6z j bar, and c is the line segment from 37 to 012. Okay, solution, let I is equal to this, let I is equal to this. Okay, so f bar is this. Okay, now that is c is r bar of t is equal to 1 minus t 37 plus t 012, 0 less than equal to 2 less than equal to 1. Okay, so now this is what, 3 minus 3t plus 0. Okay, we'll add all the components now here only. Okay, 7 minus 7t plus 12t. Okay, now we'll simplify this. We'll write all the terms here and then we'll simplify this. Okay, okay, so we'll write in terms of x and y, I bar and j bar. Okay, so this is what, 3 minus 3t I bar plus 7 plus 5t j bar, 7 plus 5t j bar. Okay, now this is x is what 3 minus 3t, y is what 7 plus 5t. Okay, so now dr bar is equal to minus 3 dt I bar plus 5t 5 dt j bar. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar, you should write a dot here. This dot is very important here. Okay, so that is what minus 3 y square dt. This is y square and this is minus 3. Then this is what 5 dt j bar. Okay, so this is what plus 5 3x minus 6z dt. Okay, so put the values of x and y x and y in terms of t now. So this is what minus 3. Your y is what 7 plus 5t square. I write dt. I take a dt common. Okay, so plus 5 3x. X is what? So 3x means directly we multiply this. What? 9 minus 90 minus 6z. How we got 6z here? Okay, so 6y. This is what? 6y. Okay, 6y. This is 6y. Minus 6y. Your y is this. So minus 42 minus 30 t dt. Okay, now we'll find the value of the integration now. So therefore I is equal to integration 0 to 1. Okay, now we'll simplify this. Okay, so minus 21 minus 21 minus 50. Oh, no need to do this square now. No need, because this is directly integrable. We'll directly integrate that. That is what minus 3 7 plus 5t cube upon 3 into 5. So this is what 15 upon 3 into coefficient of t. Okay, now here what I will write 5 as it is, and I will simplify this and integrate this. This is what minus 42 and plus 9. Minus 42 plus 9 is 33. Is minus 33. So minus 33 t. Minus 33 t. Okay. Minus 33. You are integrating this. Okay. Now this is what minus 39 t square. So minus 39 t cube upon 3. 0 to 1. Okay, so 0 to 1. I can write this. Okay, now we'll put t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 0. Oh, we are integrated. Okay, so just we'll write I only. Okay, we have integrated this, so not 0 to 1 now. So directly we put here. Okay, so now we'll put t is equal to 1. So what happens is, this is minus 3 by 15 is 1 by 5. This is what 7 raised to 3. This is 7 raised to 3. If you put t is equal to 1 here, so this is what plus 5 minus 33 minus 13 now. Minus 13. Okay. Now minus. We'll put t is equal to 0. Oh, here what? If you put t is equal to 1, then this is what? 13. Okay. Now we'll put t is equal to 0. So this is what? Minus 1 by 5. 7 raised to 3. And everywhere t is there. Okay. Everywhere t is there. So this will be your answer now. Okay. So you may keep this as it is, or you may simplify this. This is what? Minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. So 13 to the power 3 is minus now. Okay. So that term is positive now here. This term is positive. So this is what? 7 cube minus 13 cube. Minus 13 cube. So then this is what? This is minus. Okay. So minus 5 into 33 into 3. 33 into 13. Okay. If you do this calculation, the answer will be minus 1079 upon 2. You check yourself whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one. Okay, so now we'll stop here. Thank you.